Hi there, students. Pelagic. Okay, pelagic means relating to or living in the sea, but away from the coasts. So living in the open sea rather than in coastal regions or in rivers or things like that. So, for example, normally whales are pelagic animals. They live in the deep sea. Pelagic sharks travel across the ocean. Okay, also you can actually use this word pelagic when talking about fish, meaning fish that live near the surface. So if you, by taking a boat out into the sea and throwing a net into the water, you can catch the pelagic fish, the ones that live at the surface. Okay, for example, the albatross is a pelagic bird. It's a pelagic seabird. It spends all its time living away from land in the middle of the oceans. So, formality. I think I would give this word something like a 7 in formality. I don't think you could use this word in an informal conversation. It's an environmental word. It's a biological word. I think informally, living at sea, yeah, at sea, in the open sea, something like that. So something like 7.5 in formality. And then as to origin, it comes from the Latin pelagicus, which itself comes from the ancient Greek word pelagikos, which comes from pelagos, meaning the sea. Okay, so pelagic, living in the open sea, not living in coastal waters. Pelagic, belonging to the oceans. So the pelagic currents give rise to the Gulf Stream, which keeps the UK a lot warmer than it would otherwise be. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Pelagic.